What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog, short vlog. So guys, pa ko naligo guys. So if you I didn't shower yet, but there's a magic trick that my clothes is gonna be changed and my hair is gonna be wet. So let's gonna do this. Let's gonna do this. We're gonna slow down and we're gonna wipe this out. Diba guys? Magic and magic. Sheesh! Magic. Uh, Subscribe for more videos like this, guys. This is just a magic video for you guys. I hope you like it, guys, and rate it, guys, down below in the comments. So I hope you. I see you guys to another.